Forever Blasting is a new progression event that was just released on Rollercoin right now. Let's check out the great rewards that you can get during this progression event right here on That Techo Guy. Stay tuned. Okay, so Rollercoin are back with a new progression event that has just started right now at the time of recording this video. So I am just going to jump straight into it. On my screen here, you can see the game section of Rollercoin, and here at the top, you can see the banner for the new progression event, Forever Blasting. Like I like to do, as usual, I'm going to go into more details and I'm going to go through the points. So, in order to get to a higher difficulty level in the game, this time it's 500 points. Spend 1 RLT anywhere except in the marketplace and you'll get 1000 points. And if you do actually spend 1 RLT in the marketplace, you'll be getting 400 points for each and every RLT that you spend. Now, this progression event has just started. It's going to last 4 days, but now there's already 40 minutes less that are left on the progression event. So you've got 3 days and 23 hours and 22 minutes at the time of recording this video. The most powerful miner in this progression event is the Arma 555, which you can see right here. And that's going to give you a whopping 1.4 petahash per second. Okay, so that's quite a significant amount of power. Now, like I normally like to do with these progression events, I'm going to show you the list of rewards and miners and the bonus power that you can receive in this progression event if you are to make it through the entire list of rewards and the entire progression event. So here you can see the Forever Blasting progression event rewards list. Thank you to Piero, like usual, for providing this list. If you're not on Discord, you can join Rollercoin's Discord channel and you will be able to get this list for each and every progression event that comes out. So not just this list, but every progression event that comes out, you'll be able to download this list. It'll be under the general section of the Rollercoin Discord community channel. And you can go to the pinned messages under that general section and you'll find the website here. And there is also the website that I'll be leaving a link for in the description below, which is Piero's website, okay? So starting off here from level 1 to level 20, there are a total of 20 levels. You start off at level 1 with the season token, which will give you 5 RST there. So as usual, it's easy to obtain in the beginning and it starts getting harder. Sometimes it goes back down, sometimes it goes back up, depending on the reward that you will receive, okay? So here we can see that there are a couple of miners as well that have bonuses. So if you don't have, for example, the Death Proof Digger, that's an uncommon one, okay? So it is 57,750 gigahash per second, so 57.75 terahash per second with a 0.55% bonus attached to it. Like I've mentioned in other videos as well, the bonus power is very, very important as well. That will be added to your overall power, so that bonus percentage will be added to the overall power, which will then significantly help you to achieve more power because you'll be getting that percentage on top of the power that you already have, okay? Obviously, if you're still starting out to Rollercoin, then you should be gaining power first and foremost, but with bonuses comes the power as well. So you'll be gaining a bit of both there if you're starting out. So as we go down further in the list, racks with 2% bonuses are present as well. There's also racks further down with 6% bonuses, and that will give you a significant boost to each and every miner that you place on the rack. At level 15 here, we can see the Pathoprobe 21, which will give you 442 terahash per second and a 1% bonus if you don't already have the miner. Again, like I always like to say, if you already do have these miners, then you can potentially merge the same type of miner to get an uncommon, in this case, Pathoprobe 21, and that will be worth even more power and even more bonus. Obviously, if you can keep at least the basic one as well, you'll be getting 1%. So if you're going to merge, be sure that you'll have at least a minimum of 3. So you'll merge 2 of them into an uncommon and you'll still keep this one, and you'll have 1% plus whatever bonus percentage you'll have for merging to the uncommon one as well. Same goes for rare, epic, and those as well, okay, and the unreal ones. So just be sure to try and keep the basic ones if they've got a bonus attached. For example, the Hellcat doesn't, so I wouldn't mind merging 2 of those, for example, and then just getting the bonus percentage and even more power, okay? Obviously, if you keep the basic one, you're still going to have a boost with some more power there. But in the case of these, I normally just like to merge them, and I'll get rid of this and just merge it. It doesn't matter if I have 2 or 3. If I've got 2, I'm going to merge them because that's going to give me a bonus percentage attached to even more power as well, okay? So if we go down a bit further, there is Not a Loose Cannon at 262. We've got the Genesis Gear at 455 terahash, and we've got the Crucifier at 276 terahash. The most powerful miner, the Arma 555, the 1.4 petahash miner, will also give you a 0.5% bonus attached to it as well. And this entire progression event will give you a total of 3.599 petahash per second with a total of 4.1% bonus, provided that you can get all of the miners in the list. So you go through all of 20 levels and you get each and every single miner. That will give you that total. Obviously here we're not counting the rack bonuses that you will get from the power of the miners as well. So you'll be increasing power even more if you put these miners on, for example, the 6% rack, okay? So you'll get, let's say, 1.4 petahash, and you'll get 6% of that 1.4 petahash if you place it on that rack as well. So you'll effectively be getting much more than the 1.4 petahash, okay? So do keep that in mind. The racks also do provide additional power for your miners. So this is pretty much it. I don't want to go on and drag this video out. This is the gist of it. Forever Blasting progression event is on for the next almost 4 days at the time of recording this video. So get cracking. You've got around till the middle of the week, until Thursday approximately, in order to be able to get all of those rewards. Always remember as well that the season is coming to an end very soon. So during the progression event, as you saw, there were some XP passes there that will help you move along further, so you can actually be able to get through all of these rewards as well, okay? There are a total of 30 this season, okay? So don't forget to claim in this section, so the points will start going up here. I'm currently at level 15 in the season pass. I haven't activated this pass yet, but I am planning to do so. It's around 99 RLT to do so, or you can purchase the complete, which is currently at 339. Now this tends to go down the closer it gets to the season ending. So if you wait until the last week of the season ending, which is practically next week, this will probably go down a bit more to make it more enticing for you to purchase every single miner and get all the rewards, and you don't actually need to complete these daily quests. For me, I've always found it enough to have the 100 RLT version of it. So 100 RLT will provide me with the locked ones you can see here, and I did calculate this really quickly, and it'll give me at least, let's say if I get to level 16, if I get this miner as well, it'll give me around 2.5 petahash in total when I count all of these miners, plus I'm getting RST as well there. So that is something to look out for when you're actually purchasing the gold pass. I normally like to leave it to see what progression I'm going to make, because if I was like only at level 2 or 3, I would say it won't be worth spending 100 RLT just to get a few miners here and some RST. But I've gotten to level 15, potentially level 16, or maybe even 17 until the end of the season, which is still a week to go, a bit more than a week to go until it ends. So I could potentially get to around level 16 or 17. It takes me around 3 days to get past the level. So in 6 days, I should be past another 2, I'm guessing, and I'm almost halfway. Well, I am actually halfway through the current level as well. So I'm calculating I'll be at around level 17. I'll probably get level 17 when the season does end. So when I unlock everything and I pay for that, 100 RLT is going to give me 2.5 petahash and a bit of RST as well. Just make sure that with 100 RLT, check if you can actually buy something which is more powerful, which you might actually be able to do so, but you might be able to buy one miner which will only have that bonus for that miner. Here I can get a bonus for this one, I can get a bonus for this one. If I have duplicates here, I can merge them. So keep all these little things in your mind as well when you're calculating and trying to determine if you should actually do that, because every little bit will help and will count. But this video was about the progression event. I just wanted to give you a bit of advice on this as well, since it was part of the progression event, since you're going to have XP points from the progression event as well, which will count towards you getting further in the season pass rewards as well. If you haven't yet registered to Rollercoin, be sure to click my referral link down in the description below this video, and once you do register for free on Rollercoin using my referral link, you'll be getting 1000 Satoshi instantly when you register. And if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please do so down below. Smash the like button and hit that notification bell to be notified when new videos do come out on my channel. And until next time, take very good care of yourselves, and thanks for watching.